Hello, in this video I'll show you how to remove and replace the air filter on Mercedes C220 CDI W203. The air filter on this car is located on the side of the engine. It's located right there underneath this plastic cover. In order to remove it, there is plastic clips that we need to remove. Maybe use a screwdriver to remove them, one right there as well. And there is 2 or 3 on the side where the oil filler cap is. Also, I'm going to be using a screwdriver to unclip them. After I remove all the clips, then I can take out this plastic cover, and that's the air filter right there. Make sure you clean all the debris from the air filter housing before putting on the new air filter, and afterwards you can put on the new air filter. That's the new air filter right there. We'll put it on exactly the same way as we removed the old one. Next, we're going to put the plastic cover back on and then put back on all the clips. Maybe use a screwdriver again to help put them on. After we put on all the clips and the plastic cover is in its place, not moving at all, that means air filter is replaced and we're done. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much.